welcome back to another vlog. My name is Brianna, and if I look really tired, it's because I am. I got a little headache, if you've been following some of my vlogs, I've been getting quite a lot of headaches recently. I haven't got one in a couple weeks, so I'm a little surprised. But after work, I decided to take a quick little power nap, and that's helping. So I'm hoping it will stay off because they're just no fun, and I have a few things I want to do this evening. Also, my hair's looking super blonde. I'm like, what is going on? Anyways, also, I'm sorry for the dishwasher. It's probably really noisy. But right now, I'm actually going to make stuffed peppers. I've made these before, but usually I do little small ones, and I decided to make bigger ones this time. So I'm going to do that. And so we'll just start there. I'm making some stuffed peppers! But Christmas is so close. Can't believe it's like right around the corner, so. Also, as I'm cooking this, of course, I'm watching The Grinch. It is one of my favorite Christmas movies. Like, I never was a big fan of the Grinch story. Like, I love Dr. Seuss, but The Grinch I never was in. But I love this version of it, the cartoon. I know weird, everyone likes the... Okay, blame it on the headaches. I know his last name is Carrey. Jim Carrey. I kept wanting to say Tom Carrey. It's like, his name is Tom. Jim Carrey. I never liked that version, but I like the cartoon a lot more. I don't know, I just feel like it focuses way more on like service and love and like coming together. Especially what we need this year. So that's why I really like it. I love the true meaning of Christmas and like Christ-centered stuff instead of like Santa and all that other stuff. So I was really impressed and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching this one when I make my stuffed peppers because I'm hungry. I need some lunch. I need some dinner. So I need some dinner. My brain's fried apparently, as you can see. Just more entertaining for you guys. Okay, so the first thing for this recipe is you want to start cooking quinoa up. So I did over a cup because you're going to be needing 2 cups that are cooked for this. So I ended up doing like a cup and a half. I just used the rest of my quinoa, but it cooks up and it'll be thicker. So around there. I'll post the whole recipe below. And then you get your peppers, like that's cooking, and I'm going to cut the tops off, take all the seeds out. So I'm going to do that now.
Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say.
Okay, so a couple of things when I'm making these, if there's any like little extra parts, I'll just cut it up, and I'll be putting it into the bowl with like the mixture, so I'm not wasting time putting it right back in. And then right here, I just have my ground turkey. It's just a pound of this, and I'll just start frying that up. This is actually recipe is with ground turkey, which I actually prefer over hamburger. I don't have anything against hamburger, but I just like to use ground turkey a lot. Yeah, so, but the recipe actually calls for it, so that's awesome. Come on. But it's still a little frozen. I had just left it out. Oh, another thing, when you're making the quinoa, I always like to put a little bit of chicken bouillon into it, or I guess if you're making other things, you can do different kind of bouillon. But I like to just do that because I just feel like it adds a little, like, well, I don't feel like, it'll take away the bitter flavor, and it will just taste better. So this little tip when you're making quinoa is add a little bit of like any kind of bouillon, and that will just help to make it taste better and not bitter. Okay, so I got my peppers. I'm gonna have them cook a little bit. I'm in the oven. I can't remember the time, but it will be in the recipe below. So I'm just gonna put them in there, and then until there's like a little tiny bit of like black or darkness on them, you know. Okay, there's a lot of weird noises coming outside. Oh, forgot. You know, you just put it up in random places, and then somehow you forget. Yeah. Okay. So I have my meat cooking, the peppers cooking. I'm gonna put my quinoa into my bowl with the leftover peppers. I made way too much quinoa. I need to figure out something to do with that. But I'll have this, and then I'll add the next couple of seasonings. So, yeah. Okay, I am a little disappointed. A little mad. I just realized I was out of crushed tomatoes, which usually I have canned them because I actually canned them myself but apparently they're all down at my parents because I don't have much storage here, so I just keep them there. And apparently I'm out, so I'm just gonna put everything into bags and then cook it up at different time. And then I actually still have a lot of quinoa left over, so I'm just gonna pressure that up with well, I'm gonna take it out and then cook up some coconut milk and some chicken, and then I'll throw the quinoa back in with a few other things, and then that will be my meal, you know. What else do I have? Yeah, I'm just gonna mix a bunch of stuff and make a little quinoa, chicken, something Indian soup. I don't know. We'll see. Hello. Well, dinner did not go how I was planning it, but it still tasted good. I ended up just finishing up the chicken cooking, put a little bit of garlic into it and a little bit of salt, and then that was it. And so just had it in coconut milk and quinoa, and yeah, so it was pretty yummy. I need to get the tomatoes and then I can actually finish cooking up that, but I just didn't want to go to the store to get it because I just don't like shopping at stores late at night sometimes. I don't know, I was just like not in the mood for it, so yep. I am getting my wigs out again. I know I wanted this video out a long time ago, but I had thought about some stuff I want to add to it, and I think I'm going to actually refilm all of the Anna lines, because I forgot to braid her hair before, and I know it'll just look better if her hair is braided. So, yep. I figure out these bangs. One thing I like about these wigs is the bangs. So I'm gonna work on these, get her ready, and then we're gonna film her soon. Hey everybody, it's Anna here. Hey everybody, it's A for Anna. Oh, this should be really fun. Got my little wig. It's not like perfect because like I'm definitely not Anna, but I think it will do. I like the braids a lot better than before. I don't know why when I filmed it before. I also realized these lines I wasn't even going to do for Anna, I was going to use for Rapunzel, but I think I'm just going to keep it because I was debating between both, and I guess if I ended up as Anna, then that's it. But also the fun thing, so about all these characters, I'm not going to be giving them like their normal like princess names, I have them all nicknames, so like this will be A, and then also be like E, and also some other fun ones for everyone. So, you know, like hipster names. Like definitely 2020 names, for sure. So, gonna put this up to my lines and it should be great.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys.
Okay, all of Anna's lines, or A's lines, are good. So, now we have Jazzy or Jasmine. Oh, this is a wig that kind of stinks. Hers has been like one of the hardest to style. So far, I think she's the only one using a black wig. But it's fine. I'll add more princesses soon. But Jasmine was the only one. I actually think Jasmine is one of my... I don't know, she just has like so much sass to her. And she's fun. You know? I think she has like the most personality. Well, also I like Anna and Rapunzel because they're like so like blind and oblivious. Like they're the teenagers in this situation. Don't know much what's going on. Just like la la la. But they're both like ones that were like, you know, in their stories that they were locked in towers or locked in the castle and they didn't socialize, and so this is like the hardest on them. But they're also like a lot younger, so it's pretty interesting. Okay, I feel like I need to brush this, but like I don't know much about wig care, and so I'm afraid of like breaking them, you know? Okay. It's actually my third time doing stuff for her, because the original time I needed to refilm something when I first filmed, and now this is my other time. So it's pretty fun, you know? Okay, except, oh, here we go. I just feel like hers might be one of the hardest to put on, so we'll do this. Oh, but, oh, I want to get this video out. It's one of the things that's like, I really want it out, but it's been like a lot of work. And I want people to see, like, is it going to work out? Like, you just never know the reception you're gonna get until you put something out there, so I like really want to, just to see. I've just been so tired lately that's like I'm done, and trying to do extra work sometimes has been a struggle. Okay, well, here is our Jasmine trying to do her lines, so.
Boys and girls again, hear those sleigh bells jingle jangle, oh what a beautiful sight.
And there is Jasmine, her being little sassy pants. Very opinionated, but alright, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna try to edit some of these, or really edit vlogs, and then if I don't get it, well, I want to start tonight because if I need to, I want to refilm before I put everything away for the night, so. Yeah, but it's already 9:30, so we're going to see how this goes, because I am already tired. I want to go to bed. But we'll see. Ugh, this is annoying. Alright, you guys, so I just finished this princess video, finally. So I'm going to show you guys a little clip, but go over on Facebook and go check it out. Girls, what are your goals for this year? I want to travel the world. I'm going to try to exercise more. I want to study more. So if you guys want to see the rest, go check it out on my Facebook. I'll tag it, but it's also just Brianna Joe. Go check that out. Oh, the lighting's so bad. Alright, I'm going to pause for a second.